Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change time format on Android phone from 24-hour format to 12-hour format or vice versa. Okay, first of all, let's just open our settings application on our Android phone and we have to scroll down until we find the general management setting. Tap on this setting and here we can select date and time setting, and as you can see that here I'm using 24-hour format and I'm going to change it to 12-hour format, so we can just click on the toggle button. Okay, and now the time format has been changed and I'm using 12-hour format on my phone. And if you want to use this 24-hour format again, you just need to click on this toggle button to activate this 24-hour format on your Android phone. Alright guys, then that's how we can change time format on Android phone from 24-hour to 12-hour or vice versa. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.